There is a slight risk for severe weather in central Indiana as instability increases and wind shear dramatically increases. 5% probability of a tornado or two for central Indiana this evening and tonight. Clear skies to the west. This will make the atmosphere more unstable. The area that I have circled shows an area where clouds are partially clearing, giving fuel to developing thunderstorms. Increasing wind shear, instability, and low cloud base makes tornadoes possible this evening. Damaging winds is also a concern with this evening's severe weather threat. A fairly small chance of a damaging wind threat, but there is still a damaging wind threat. The hail threat isn't that much of a concern, but isolated large hail is a possibility. As you see for Indiana, you don't see anything under Indiana. And this is my area of concern that I will be concerned with developing storms this evening and tonight.